you have bad kids? Do your children run amok in your house? I know. Can't really get them to sit down. I got a product just for you.
Hi, I'm Please Believe, and I'm bringing you the Whooper Master 2000. First of all, we have the Switch. It's an old school favorite. Grandmothers are a big fan of this one. We have the leather belt. Leather, of course, because it gets that smack, that nice sting, so you know that so the kids know that you're not playing with them. Now, we also have the extension cord. Now, this one is illegal in some states. You want to keep this one discreet. You might not really want to use this one, bring this one out too often. And for the runners in the family, we have the lasso. This is a good way to catch them while they're on the run. You know, just lasso them up, bring them back, and use one of the other three favorites. Now, my personal favorite is the stick. This stick is really good because you can dig them out from under that bed, get them from out that couch, get them from around that corner, and it also doubles as a good trip stick. I'm Please Believe, and I brought you the Whooper Master 2000. It's coming to a store near you. Thank you.